Hey Roy, hey Karen. My name is Serge with Kansas City Business Operations. And in the screencast, I spoke with your front office, and I believe it was Karen. And we agreed I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Prestige One Landscaping. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, send me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over with you is your content. So, in order for your business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. I found your site has about 369 just on the homepage, which is totally fine, but in comparison to one of your competitors, we'll be going over professional lawn care. Well, KC Landscaping shows in the tab professional lawn care, but KC Landscaping, and they have about 961 words to fill the keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every single month, people are searching for these certain keywords, which you miss out on not being number one. In turn, you're missing out on customers. So as we can see, when I pull up this tool, Aris, I have your site pulled up, and this tool, Aris, shows what your site is dense with. So you have 2 backlinks, 1 in the front of the main, and 3 organic keywords. So the 3 keywords that you are ranking with is Prestige One Landscaping, Prestige One Landscaping. That's the same one actually. Well, it's a 0K to rank this, so you should start getting this one to the first position here pretty soon. And keep adding and adding all these keywords into your content, and you will be organically listed for that, for the keyword that's actually being searched. My fault. So now you know a little bit about what a keyword is. Let's go into volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. So volume is how many times this keyword is clicked or searched per month. KD is how hard it is to rank this keyword. Now traffic depends on the position that you're in and how much volume is being searched. So if you're in a first position, you probably getting at least maybe 10 people per month out of this keyword. And then 10 and 10, that's 30 people, 30 potential clients if you got these all ranked for number 1. Onto your competitor, Pine Landscape. Let's look at their organic keywords. Now you see their site's pretty well SEO'd, but the reason why I'll show you is because they have a city and they have a niche. So Pine Landscaping, and you have Kansas River Rock or Pine Lawrence, Kansas. So people usually search the city and then the service that they want. So getting like Kansas City Landscaping or Lawrence Landscaping, or you get the idea, right? Well, moving on to the next optimization section, we're going to be going over the Google Map Pack or Maps. So doing a search for KC Landscaping, go over to the Map Pack. Inside the Map Pack, you see tabs of businesses that all offer the same service as you. So every single one has a name, an address, and a phone number. Now, aka maps. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I make a maps? Well, besides the obvious, you want the ratings to be a 5-star. And then after you're done getting those ratings, you move over to your citations. So getting citations is actually pretty easy. These citations, aka maps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on, even Facebook has an area to where you can submit them. Now these do take a little more time, but they are definitely worthwhile. You want your citations at least 100 or 200 so you can start beating out some of the competition. Maybe keep you getting even more so you can be in the first place pretty soon. And for the third thing I'd like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. Probably one of the most arguably more important ones. But we give this thing that gives your site authority like juice. So you see when I do a search for KC Landscaping, and I go back towards organic listings, you see the ads pop up first because they're paying for those. But you have the first organic, KC Landscaping. Second, KC Landscapes. And third, go hplg.com. High Landscape, so on, so on, so on, right? Well, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So with link juice, some people works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, if you have relative sites, say, Yelp or KC Landscapes linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, because you don't sling pizza for a living. At least I don't think you do. Well, I'm gonna pull up Ahrefs again, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great to check out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So here's your backlinks. You have two. Click those. You see a little bit of link juice that you have. These are also pretty easy. If you want to learn more about them, we can talk on the phone. But going with your competitors, I'm going to show you an easier way. So like I said, if you're looking to use this tool, pay about $100 a month, and you can do all this. You can go into theirs. You can take every single one that they have. Keep scrolling down every single one. And this is how you keep getting backlinks, so you can start ranking first on the page in organic listings. So that pretty much wraps it up. I'm going to be going over content, citations, and backlinks again. So for your content, you need at least 1,500 words for your homepage, and then any service page or location page, you want at least 1,000, 500 to 1,000, but 1,000 so you can start ranking it at 500, just so you have a nice optimized website. Citations, right? You need way more citations than this. If you want to start getting that Google Map Pack rank, that's what you gotta do. Name, address, phone number, and directories. And for your link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if that means taking all your competitors and making them your own, that's what you gotta do. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. Well, I bet you're wondering what now. You can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great one. Roy and Karen.